Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by matching ports and gathering the right cable and any adapter, because connector type determines signal and resolution. Once you have the cable, power off both laptop and monitor to avoid hot plug issues. Then attach the cable to the monitor first and to the laptop second. This order helps many systems detect the display. Make sure the monitor input source is set to the port you used, and keep the laptop closed or open as you prefer for detection. Once done powering both devices, boot the laptop and let Windows reach the desktop so it can enumerate displays. Use Settings then System then Display to click Detect if the monitor doesn't appear automatically. Arrange the displays by dragging their icons to match physical placement, because alignment affects cursor travel. Next, choose Display Mode, Duplicate to Mirror, Extend to expand workspace, or second screen only for external use, and set resolution and scaling to match the monitor for sharp text and correct sizing. Finalize by applying your display settings and confirming refresh rate and audio output if the monitor includes speakers. If the picture is absent, distorted, or wrong resolution, make sure graphics drivers are current. Driver updates often fix detection and scaling problems. If issues persist, swap the cable or try a different port to isolate hardware faults, and then reboot and redetect the display. As a last quick tip, try the Windows key plus P to cycle display modes rapidly while troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.